Hi, this is Mavelyn Chapolit, and here's another activity 2.3.3 Cisco Discovery Protocol or CDP. And here's the learning objectives for this activity. Examine CDP show commands, view CDP configuration settings, view CDP neighbor information, examine CDP configuration, commands, disable and enable CDP globally on a router, disable and enable CDP on an interface. Okay, so let's start. Task 1, Step 1, view CDP configuration settings. From the CLI on router 1, issue the command show CDP. So let's click the R1 and go to CIL, then enable first the R1, enable, next show CDP. So here in the CDP, global CDP information, sending CDP packets every 60 seconds, sending a hold time value of 180 seconds, sending CDP v2 advertisement is enabled. And let's proceed to show CDP with the question mark. Okay, so here in the show CDP question mark entry, the entry here is information for the specific neighbor entry. Interface, CDP interface status and configuration, neighbors, CDP neighbors entries. So show CDP global CDP information. So next is, so after the show CDP with question mark, issue command show CDP interface. Show CDP interface command. Show CDP interface command, then enter. And here's the list of the interfaces. This is the list of the interfaces. The VLAN, administrative, timeline protocol is done. Fast Ethernet 01, serial 0/001, serial 0/0/1. So the active here is only Fast Ethernet 0/0 is up, line protocol is up. So that's the only one subnet is working. So and let's proceed to show CDP neighbors. CDP neighbors. And here's the CDP neighbors of R1 is the S1 central pass with the pass Ethernet 0/0152. The hold time capability is switch, and the platform is 2960, and the port ID is pass Ethernet 0/1. So here's the capability codes, and this is the ID, device ID, the S1, local interface, pass Ethernet. And this one is the port ID and the platform. And next is, so here, as it's stated here, examine the output a single line of the information display for its device. Information display for switch is 1 and router are 2 that are directly connected, but not for the router 3. But here is only is 1. The switch 1 only are directly connected. R2 is not connected. So let's proceed to show CDP entry. Show CDP entry R2. R2. Enter. So, show CDP entry, wala. Kasi walang entry. Show CDP entry. Show CDP entry. Then, asterisk entry. So, device ID is 1. So, switch 1 entry address is blank. Platform is Cisco 2960 capability switch. So, capabilities niya is switch and platform is Cisco. Interface, pass Ethernet 0/0 port. ID, outgoing port and pass Ethernet 01. Hold time is 154. And the version here is Cisco iOS software. And here's the advertisement version also. So after that, let's proceed to show CDP neighbors. Neighbors detail. Enter. So here the neighbors detail, device ID is 1. So yan lang yung neighbors ng R1. Device ID is 1, entry address, platform. So they're just the same from the show CDP entry. So, and let's proceed to show CDP entry asterisk. So it's just the same again. And let's proceed to task 2, examine. So let's click the R2 and click CIL tab, enter, then enable. So here, in task 2, examine CDP configuration commands. Step 1, disable and enable CDP globally on a router. So from the CIL on router 2, issue command show CDP neighbors. Okay, show CDP neighbors. Then click. So here we can see the neighbors of router 2 is 2, switch 2. So the capabilities codes, so router T trans bridge and B source route of bridge. So S is switch, H is host, and I is IGMP, repeater, and P is phone. So here's the device ID, the is 2 or switch 2. The local interface is fast Ethernet 0/1. The hold time is 168, and the capability of this router or device is switch, platform 2960, and the port ID is fast Ethernet 0/1. And let's proceed to no CDP run. So no CDP run. So let's config terminal. And next is no Cdp run. Enter. And then no Cdp run enable. No. I know. Next is show Cdp neighbors. So it's invalid. So let's proceed to the no Cdp run enable. Okay. And so cdp run, then cdp run string mark. So here cdp run, then cdp run enable interface. No cdp run, then okay, cdp run, then interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Then cdp run. And let's proceed to step 2. No cdp enable. Okay. No cdp enable. So config. So let's proceed to config. So but I do that already. So let's Control Z, config T, then no cdp enable. Okay, let's muna cdp run first. Cdp run, tapos na yung then interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Then let's proceed to show cdp neighbors. So it's invalid. Let's proceed back to the cdp run. No cdp question mark. Okay. Then no cdp enable. then show